Morning children, I Julie welcomes you all once again in the EVS class of Standard 3. Today I am going to teach lesson 16 of your EVS book Textiles, and this is video number 1. Food, shelter and clothing are the basic needs of every individual. All three are equally important and human beings have constantly experimented with these three needs. A constant struggle to make something better has always been the reason for modification and advancement made. That holds good in clothing too. Since the prehistoric era, there has been a drastic change in clothes that humans wear. Early men used large leaves to cover their body. With time, it was seen that even animals' skin can be used to cover their body. Soon, animal skin, fleece and fur were employed as clothes. When the early humans started cultivating crops, they started using cotton from the cotton ball to weave fabric to make fibers. Now, what are fibers? Let us understand the beautiful science behind making fibers and turning them to clothes. Fibers are significantly long threads, or we can say extremely long threads that can be converted into yarns. Now, what are yarns? Yarns are long continuous threads which can be directly woven into fabric. Fabrics are pieces of cloth which are used for making our garments. Now, yarns are woven to make fabrics which can be used to make clothes. So, we can conclude that fibers are the threads which are used to make yarns, where yarns can be woven into fabrics which are then used to make stitched clothes for us. Children, there are two types of fibers: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources, and the sources are plants and animals. Plants like cotton and jute give us natural fibers. Similarly, animals like sheep, goat and camel and so many are also used for their fur and fleece. Whereas synthetic fibers are made by us in industries and laboratories. Polyester, nylon, acrylic are the best examples of synthetic fibers. Children, our next topic is methods of decorating fabrics. The process of coloring of fabrics is known as dyeing. Children, do you all know there are two types of dyes? Natural dyes and synthetic dyes. Natural dyes are obtained from plants, whereas synthetic dyes are obtained from artificial colors. The sources for natural dyes are onion, sunflower, green grasses and different types of spices are used for getting natural dyes. Children, there are different methods of decorating fabrics. Let us see them one by one. The first one is tie and dye. In this method, the cloth is tied into knots with threads. Then it is dipped into dyes to make colorful designs. Do you all know Rajasthan and Gujarat are famous for tie and dye textiles? The next one is block printing. It is a technique in which the cloth is printed with beautiful designs that are carved on wooden blocks. The blocks are dipped in fabric, colors and printed on textiles. Here you can see some examples of block printing. The next is embroidery. Embroidery means to decorate the cloth using colored threads, mirrors, beads and shells. Some traditional types of embroideries are kantha, fulkari, jal work, chicken curry Zardozi, etc. Let us see the examples of some traditional types of embroideries. People of Bengal are famous for their kantha work. Ladies of Punjab are expert in fulkari. You can see the pattern. Jal work of Kashmir is world famous. Chicken curry and Zardozi embroidery of Uttar Pradesh give us a classy look. You can see here. Kalamkari is the art of making designs on clothes with a special pen. And Bihar is famous for the art of kalamkari. Ikat includes dyeing of threads into different colors and then weaving them on looms to make designs. And the state of Odisha is famous for this ikat work. Batik is a technique in which wax-resistant dyeing is applied to the whole cloth. Wax is used to make colorful designs, and it is spread over a design that allows the artisan to color the selected portion of the cloth. When it becomes cold, the cloth is dipped into colors. These are the different methods of decorating fabrics. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you.